All right, this is a pretty fun science experiment. So I'm excited for you guys to play around with it and have some fun with it. So this is all about the different states of matter and what happens when we add temperature, what happens to particles. So before we start here, I want you to make a prediction and tell me temperature affects the state of matter because. So how do you think temperature affects whether it's a solid, liquid, or a gas? Do you think that solids have lower temperatures, or liquids have lower temperatures, or gases have lower temperatures? So you're going to click on this link, which will lead you to this right here. First thing you're going to do is you're going to pick a substance. So I'm going to start with the substance of olive oil. And as you notice right now, the mass is 500 grams. And it's currently, the state of matter that it's at is a solid. It's frozen. Now let's see what happens if I increase the temperature just a little bit. So now it's becoming the particles are moving faster. They're spreading out now that they are, they're getting really fast now. They must be really heating up. Notice my mass is still 500 grams. What if I increase the temperature all the way to 200? Watch what happens to the particles. They start spreading really far out and get really, really, really crazy. I'm still a liquid here, but soon I might start moving into a gas. Whoa, so there's my gas. Notice how fast the particles are moving and how random they're moving in like a crazy pattern. So notice my mass never changed even though I'm in a different state of matter now. Let's go ahead and click on ethanol. So ethanol, these are the cold little ethanol particles. Notice it's a solid right now because it's cold. Now if I increase and heat it up, it's going to become a liquid. Notice the bubbles. Now if I increase it to 200, whoop, it's a gas. Holy cow. The particles are all over the place. They're moving really, really fast. Okay, why don't I click on iodine? So iodine's a solid right now. It's cold. Well, if I heat it up, let's see what happens. Oop, it's moving faster now. It's becoming a liquid. And notice with liquid, they move a little faster. They get a little more spread out. And then if I click up here, they start being really crazy. And they'll eventually become a gas, which is really spread out and really fast moving particles. So over here, after you're done, I want you to answer the question. Do the particles move faster or slower? So as I went to the right on the dial, do they move faster or slower when I increase the temperature? When you increase the temperature, does the mass of the objects get bigger or stay the same? Did the mass ever change? If not, then the answer would be the same. All right, enjoy and answer those questions.